Okay, I'm going to make a more formal video, but I wanted to just throw this video real quick up in case anybody was having trouble. So this is the Hannibal 1/5 scale gasoline powered RC, and it had the CY motor in it, and the CY motor was bad, so I replaced it with the Zenoah motor. And if you're going to replace the CY motor with the Zenoah motor, this piece here, it has this sticker, you have to take that off the CY motor and put it on the Zenoah motor, so that way the bolts line up to make it mount right. You can't just swap the Zenoah motor right in here, because that's the first modification. I only paid $150 for it, so I knew I was going to have to put a motor in it. So that was the first modification. Then I crashed it. I was just driving it in the parking lot, test driving it kind of, and it crashed into like a box or something, and the servos didn't work after that, so I replaced them with just some decent servos I got off of eBay. And then earlier today the throttle servo broke, so I replaced that with the Traxxas 2056, which was the only Traxxas servo that I had around, and it seems to work great. If you look at, this is how the throttle, it took me forever to get this hooked up right, so this is how it's supposed to look in case you're trying to get yours hooked up right, just like that. So I also replaced all the electronics with Traxxas stuff as far as the radio is concerned, and I got the Dynamite kill switch. Highly recommend it. Today when this servo went, it was just like a little bit accelerating, and it just stopped working altogether. So I just hit this switch here, and the truck shut off. And if I didn't have that option, then the truck would have just ran off. So I highly recommend getting the kill switch built in. But I'll make another video talking about this in more detail. I just wanted to kind of just talk about how to get this Zenoah motor mounted, really, 'cause